USB ready but don't know how to boot from it? Let me show you. So to use your bootable USB stick, we have to actually get into the BIOS setup and change the boot order. And to do that, click Windows plus R, CMD, enter, then shut down ORT0, enter. Now troubleshoot, advanced options, and UEFI firmware settings, restart. The second option to get into the BIOS is to restart the computer, and as it's rebooting, just spam delete key. This way we got into the BIOS. Okay, so when we are in the BIOS, it might look a little bit different in your case, but the main philosophy is the same. You have to find the boot page and choose the first boot option as your bootable USB. So for me, it's the SanDisk Partition 2, enter, and as you can see, is the first option. So this way your computer knows that it have to boot from this exact disk. Click F10, enter, and yeah, now you have, for me it's the Ventoy.